Can cancer be transmitted from one person to another?
Hey there, welcome to our video on an important topic. Can cancer be transmitted from one person to another? Cancer is a complex and often misunderstood disease, so it's crucial to understand its nature and how it spreads. In this video, we'll explore whether cancer can be transmitted from person to person and shed some light on this fascinating subject. So, let's get started.
Understanding cancer.
To begin, let's briefly discuss what cancer is. Cancer refers to a group of diseases characterized by the uncontrolled growth and spread of abnormal cells in the body. These abnormal cells can form tumors, invade nearby tissues, and even spread to other parts of the body through a process called metastasis. Cancer can arise from a variety of factors, including genetic mutations, exposure to carcinogens, unhealthy lifestyle choices, and certain infections. It is essential to note that cancer is not a contagious disease like a cold or flu.
Viral infections and cancer.
Some viral infections have been linked to the development of certain types of cancer. For example, human papillomavirus, HPV, is known to cause cervical, anal, and some other cancers. Hepatitis B and C viruses can increase the risk of liver cancer, and the Epstein-Barr virus is associated with certain lymphomas and nasopharyngeal cancer. While these viruses can be transmitted from person to person, it's important to understand that the viruses themselves are the primary cause of cancer, not the cancer cells.
No evidence of person-to-person cancer transmission.
Now, let's address the question at hand. Can cancer be transmitted from one person to another? The answer is no. There is currently no evidence to suggest that cancer cells can be directly transmitted from one person to another through casual contact, such as touching, hugging, or sharing personal items. Cancer is not a contagious disease that can be caught or spread like a viral or bacterial infection. Cancer cells are highly specialized to survive and grow within the body they originated from. When cancer cells leave their original site and enter another person's body, they are typically recognized as foreign invaders by the immune system, which usually destroys them.
Organ transplants and cancer risk.
Although cancer cannot be directly transmitted from person to person, there is a small risk associated with organ transplantation. When a person receives an organ transplant, they may be at a slightly higher risk of developing cancer due to the immunosuppressive medications they need to take to prevent organ rejection. These medications can decrease the immune system's ability to detect and destroy cancer cells, leading to a slightly increased risk of cancer development. However, it's important to note that the risk is relatively low, and the benefits of organ transplantation far outweigh the potential cancer risk. Rigorous screening and careful selection of organ donors help minimize this risk as much as possible. In conclusion, cancer is not a disease that can be transmitted from one person to another through casual contact. There is no evidence to suggest that cancer cells themselves can be transmitted like a contagious disease. While certain viral infections can increase the risk of developing cancer, the viruses, not the cancer cells, are responsible for the transmission. It's important to have accurate information about cancer to dispel misconceptions and reduce unwarranted fears. Remember, understanding the nature of cancer, its causes, and how it spreads is crucial for promoting awareness and fostering a supportive environment for those affected by this challenging disease. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope it has provided you with valuable insights into the question of whether cancer can be transmitted from one person to another. If you have any